Alan. I am a second year MD student. Today I am going to examine your eye. May I know your name and age?
I am Shiva, 22 years old.
Hold this card. Cover your left eye. See with your right eye and read the line smallest one as much as possible.
D E F P O T E C.
Can you please change the card to your right eye
Okay.
and see in left eye and read it?
D E F P O T E C.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Now I am going to check your lessons in your visual pathways, anterior and posterior visual pathways. See my eyes with your both eyes.
Okay.
Okay. Don't change the visual pathways. Directly see my eyes. And then tell when will you see these winged fingers.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Thank you. This is kinetic red target test, same like our before test.
Okay.
See my both eyes with your both eyes. Okay. And then tell when will you see this red target. Can you see this red target? Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Now I am going to examine your eyelids and eyebrows. Inspect the eyebrows and closely inspect the eyelids for width of the palpebral features, edema, color of the eyelids, lesions and condition and direction of the eyelash. Can you please see our mount? Okay. Slowly. Upward. Ask the patient to look up for inspect the sclera or conjunctiva because of for any nodules. In oblique lighting, inspect the cornea of each eye for opacity. Shining the light from side towards the eye and inspect the each iris. Shining the light obliquely into each pupil, looking for a direct reaction. Quickly change the light to one eye to other for consensual reaction. And shining the light directly in front of patients in the distance of 2 feet, inspecting the reflection in the cornea. Now I am going to examine your extraocular muscles. Can you follow this pencil?
Okay.
I am making a wide H in the air. Lead the patient gazing to the patient's extreme right and to the right upward and downward, without pausing in the middle to the extreme left and extreme left upward and the downward. Switch on the ophthalmos scope and adjusting the large wide beam of the light, setting the zero diopter. Asking the patient to look over the shoulder at the specific part of the wall. Placing the thumb of the other hand in patient's eyebrow. If you are going to examine the patient's right eye, you must use your right hand to hold the ophthalmoscope and use your right eye to examine the patient's right eye. Locating the red reflex, moving in with ophthalmoscope by holding the red reflex. Identify the yellowish orange texture, that is the optic disc. Noticing the color of the optic disc and size of the physiologic cup. Looking for papillary edema, which in the swelling of the optic disc. And also doing the ophthalmoscope examination in patient's other eye. Now I am going to examine your ears. Okay. Check the auricles and tarcus and surrounding tissues for any deformities or lung lesions, and see any pain and inflammation is present. Okay, thank you. Examining the ear canal and eardrum using an otoscopy, inserting the correct speculum into the ear canal, directed it forward and downward, noticing any discharge, foreign bodies, redness of the skin or any wax. Inspect the eardrum, noticing its color. Identify the handle of the malleus, noticing its position and also short process of the malleus. This is very easy ear test. I will tell some numbers with the letters. In your bag, you can repeat the same sequence. Okay. Now I am going to examine your left ear. So I am closing this right ear. Okay.
Okay. 3, 5, 7. 2, 8, 6. 10, 5, 3.
Okay, good. Now I am going to examine your right ear. So I am closing this left ear. Okay.
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 3, 5, 8. 8, M, J. 3, 2, 1.
This is the 24.
Okay.
I just place this 24 in your overhead.
Okay.
Just listen the sound.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, feel it. Yeah, good.
Did you feel this in your both ears?
Yeah.
Now I am going to test your air conduction and bone conduction. Okay, I just place this 24 with vibration in this mastoid bone and near to your ear. Okay, just say which vibration you hear a lot. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, a little bit. Yes. It's very high. Yes. Yes.
Which you hear a lot.
Over the ear.
Okay, that is a air condition.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Very high. Okay. Hear a lot.
Okay. Which one you hear a lot?
Over the ear.
Okay, that is your ear conduction. Your ear is very normal.